I've been in the hardware business 48 years, got the opportunity to open my own store a year and a half ago. And at that time, I knew I wanted to be part of U-Haul because they're part of my brother's store. And we've grown here in the last year and a half that we've been affiliated with U-Haul.
We're an auto repair business. We've been in business for 40 years. We've been at this location for about 3. At the beginning of this location, we wanted to increase our traffic flow. And just putting U-Hauls out there really increased the traffic flow.
I was a little skeptical at first, because I didn't want to mess with it, but it's not being too bad. It does give us those extra touches to customers that are coming into the area, and I like that because in a growing business, you really need every touch you can get.
We're a neighborhood storage facility, privately owned. We offer storage for household items, boats, campers, RVs. U-Haul contributed to the growth of our primary business by bringing in customers who originally just came in to pick up a U-Haul truck and didn't realize that we were also a storage facility, so they picked up their storage and their truck at the same location to make it easier for them.
It's a good fit for a hardware store because the customers, they're doing projects. We rent out the vans and the small trucks. I've rented out big trucks for people going picking up windows. If you're a hardware store, they may be going to a box store. It gets that opportunity to get somebody in your store and say, hey, we can help service you too.
We have had customers, they've had their car repair, and they are moving. They're staying in town, but they're moving to a different place, and we ended up renting trucks to them too.
U-Haul's a good sideline for somebody that has a business and they just need that little extra. Yeah, it works out good.
Definitely generates a lot more walk-in business than you would normally have, just for the simple fact is when people look up for U-Haul dealer location, they're unaware that it's also another business.
Yeah, the benefits of being a U-Haul dealer is great because we have no investment into it. You're basically selling an inventory that you don't have anything invested into. They pay us a commission every month on what we rent out. We get paid for managing their trucks and helping people move wherever they need to move.
The 24/7 truck share program, I think, is a great program. It allows us to maintain rentals even though the office is closed. Being a privately owned small business, we close on holidays. It still allows customers to rent equipment when they need it even though we're not here.
They can go online, punch in on their phone, put all the documentation in, and they dispatch it to them right to their phone, and they can return it the same way. So you're sleeping and making money, which is good. And that's a way to be if you can.
U-Haul has an AFM, which is our area field manager. He is our direct contact. He's in the store on a regular basis. He comes around, helps us with maintenance on the vehicles and the trailers, and he also helps with training.
If I have a truck that's down, but I need it, that day, he'll come out and make sure that it's fixed and ready for me. If I'm out of equipment, he'll get me the equipment as soon as he possibly can.
Honestly, after hours, he's there to help assist me with, like a reservation or a transaction, or if I call traffic, they can, definitely help me through stuff.
And U-Haul helps us with marketing. They get us signs, whatever we need, banners to help with marketing the U-Haul product.
I don't really see anything but positive outcomes. People are gonna come through your door to rent a truck.
I would tell anybody that if you're thinking about it, it's a great opportunity. If you're not thinking about it, you should.